Lessons from the Lincoln. Did you know that many insurance companies will not insure homes with aluminum wires? Now, why is that? Electricians used aluminum wiring back in homes built from 1965 to about 1975 because the cost of copper had skyrocketed. So the problem is that aluminum expands and it contracts, which can lead to loose wires and overheating, which is an increased risk of fires. So what do? If you buy a house with aluminum wiring, you can have the outlets pigtailed at an average cost of about $50 per outlet. Now, as a buyer, that can be negotiated into your purchase contract after it's discovered, which is typically during the inspection, for the sellers to address for you. Sellers, if this is you, and it's wise, if your home is built between 1965 and 1975 and you want to sell your home, go down, check out your breaker panel and see if it's aluminum wiring. If it is, then I'd highly advise you to call an electrician, get ahead of it because you're going to have to do it anyways. Have it pigtailed, keep the receipt for proof when you sell. For more helpful tips like this, I want you to go above, follow, and then share this with a friend who can use this info. Have an awesome day. Bye.